Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Daryeel kitchen, home to delicious food made simple. In today's recipe I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious rice. It only takes about 30 minutes. It's super easy and I will be serving this rice with my delicious air fryer chicken. If you haven't seen the recipe, make sure you check out that recipe. It only takes 20 minutes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start our delicious recipe. As usual, you'll find the full recipe in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And now let's go ahead and start washing our rice. Wash the rice a couple of times until the water is nice and clear. Heat a pan, add a little bit of oil. We're going to add in our chopped onion, some fresh coriander, some garlic, minced garlic, and then we're going to cook this for a few seconds. After that, we're going to start adding our seasoning. I'm going to add in some vegetable seasoning. This makes your rice super delicious, so go ahead, don't skip. We've also added some cumin powder, a little bit of turmeric powder, some coriander powder. We're going to add in some paprika. And yes, a lot of seasoning. That's what we need in our food. Make sure to mix this. I also like to add a little bit of hot water whilst cooking the seasoning with the onions. This is just to really reduce the oil because you don't want to add too much oil. And you can see I forgot to add the black pepper and I decided to add that last minute. So we're going to cook everything like this for about 5 minutes or so, and then after that we're going to add in our rice. Once you add in the rice, you want to make sure you mix everything well and continue cooking this on a high heat at the moment. And then once you've mixed and everything is mixed really well, you're going to add in some hot water. You will find exactly the rice and water ratio in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Take a photo, screenshot, so you can keep it with you. Once you add the hot water, you want to keep the heat still very high. Cover the rice and cook the rice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how your rice is going to look like. Now I'm going to mix this again just to make sure everything is again mixed well. And this is the only mix I will be doing. And then after this, we're going to cover our rice. But also before we cover, we're going to use aluminium foil. This is where you want to steam your rice. So do this and then reduce the heat to the lowest. And you're going to forget about the rice for at least 20 minutes. And you will find your rice delicious and ready. You can see how it looks. This is my simple Somali rice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. I've got so many messages of, can you show us a simple Somali rice? I hope you guys enjoy. I'm serving my rice with my air fried chicken. You can also find the recipe. I'll link it down in the description box. If you have any questions, don't forget to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum.